Camp IVRT is very unique because it's really one of the only programs here locally that trains children how to audition to be in a theater. I'm Donna Marie Manano, and my husband and I are the co-founders of IVRT, and I'm the director of Camp IVRT.
My name is Malia Bartosh, and this year I'm the Educational Outreach Intern for IVRT.
Hi, my name is Paige Olette. I am currently going into my junior year at Claremont High School. And then last year I was able to be a dance TA for the camp, but it was all online.
I'm helping a lot with the acting portion of camp and acting as the acting teacher. So there's the obvious acting skills that they obtain through Camp IVRT. There's acting, dancing, and singing. Every single year I always see the growth with the kids in each of those areas, but more than that, I think that they learn how to be good people to each other, and that's a skill that they can take outside of camp.
Camp IVRT teaches you a lot of just life skills in general that I didn't really realize as a young kid I was learning until I'm older.
The environment that Camp IVRT has created, the kids aren't afraid of messing up in front of each other, and that grows their confidence a lot. You'll see kids slowly get more and more open with each other, and so they'll try out new things. That can go from performing on a small stage during first acts to performing on a big stage during performance camp.
I've heard again and again kids say, I can really be myself here.
I couldn't imagine my life without it. It was such a necessity to my child.
They find their voice in camp